Okay, now this is the specimen of jejunum and ileum. Small intestine, jejunum and ileum part. We have already removed it from the body. Now, first of all, if you got a specimen like this, jejunum and ileum, first you have to identify the jejunum and ileum part. How to identify the jejunum and ileum? First of all, hold the two ends and compare these two ends. By comparing, you will see the one end is having wider lumen, but we have tied here because of the presence of fecal matter within the tube. So you will find the wide lumen and thicker wall, and other end, in the other end you will find the narrow lumen and the thin wall. As you can appreciate here, the tube is narrower here, it is wider here. So these are the two ends. So by comparing this, you will see this is the jejunum part and this is the ileum part. This is the terminal part of ileum. This was the part which was in contact with duodenum or the duodenum, the terminal part of duodenum. This is the end, the terminal end of ileum, and it was forming the ileocecal junction with cecal. So now here this part here is jejunum and this part is ileum part of small intestine. Now first comparison is, first difference is in the wall. As we discussed, the wall of ileum or the jejunum, wall of jejunum is thicker as compared to ileum, and it has a wide lumen and ileum has a narrow lumen. Now coming to the mesentery, the very important, if we see one loop of jejunum, you will see this is the mesentery of jejunum, and you can appreciate the vessels, a network of vessels here in a single loop of jejunum. You can see this network of vessels. Now first difference in the mesentery of two parts, ileum and jejunum, is the amount of fat. The amount of fat in the mesentery of jejunum is less abundant, whereas in the mesentery of jejunum it is more abundant. So this is the mesentery of jejunum. As you can see here, there is less amount of fat. Now coming to the network of these vessels, as you can appreciate, the proximal part of mesentery having the branches from, basically these are the branches of jejunal arteries. So near the proximal part you can see the arch-like structures found by the branches. These are called arcades. These are called arcades. This is single arcade. These are called arcades. These arcades are one or two in case of jejunum. These arcades are in one or two layers in jejunum, whereas in ileum these are 3 or 4 in number. Now from these arcades there arise a straight vessel. You can appreciate here, these are the straight vessels. These are called vasa recta. From the arcades there arise straight vessels. These are called vasa recta. These vasa recta are longer in case of jejunum, and there is a gap between. These are longer in case of jejunum, in the mesentery of jejunum, and they are few in number. They are not numerous or more, and a gap between two vasa recta here. The gap between two vasa recta is called window. This part of mesentery here is translucent and light can pass from one side to other side. So this part, this is called window. So another difference is presence of window. Presence of windows. Windows are present in the mesentery of jejunum, and these are well prominent. These are present between these straight vessels. These are called vasa recta. The vasa recta are long and few in number or less in number as compared to ileum, and windows are translucent in case of jejunum because of the less amount of fat. But in ileum, these windows are opaque. These windows are opaque. So in mesentery you will find near the proximal part arcades, arch-like structure arcades. These are 1 or 2 in jejunum, and from this arcade there arise these straight vessels vasa recta. In jejunum, vasa recta are longer and less in number as compared to ileum, and we have translucent windows because of the less amount of fat. This is all about mesentery of jejunum. Now coming to the mesentery of ileum. This is the mesentery of ileum. If you see one of the loop of ileum part, you will see the network of vessels, the arcades. First of all, the arcades are more as compared to jejunum, and the vasa recta arising from the arcades are more in number as compared to jejunum, and the windows are comparatively opaque as compared to jejunum because of the more amount of fat than the jejunum here. So these are the differences, main differences in the mesentery of jejunum and ileum. In the jejunum, the mesentery has 1 or 2 arcades, long vasa rectas, few and long vasa rectas, and prominent windows. Then we have, this is the mesentery of ileum. We have more arcades, 3 or 4 in number, then short vasa rectas which are more in number, and opaque windows because of the presence of more amount of fat. This is all about the jejunum and ileum specimen, the differences between the wall and the mesentery of jejunum and ileum part.